Hi everyone, it's Holly here from Hollkward Beauty on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me already, make sure to check me out over there. I post every single day about makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty, style, all of that. And make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week with new beauty and fashion videos for you guys. So today's video is going to be a review on one of Summer Friday's latest products. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of Summer Fridays. Every product I review because I'm so obsessed with them. I want to get the reviews out there, get the info out there so you guys can join my little obsession, which is Summer Fridays. Their latest launch is actually a product for pregnancy, for pregnant women, but anyone can use it. I'm not pregnant and I don't plan on being pregnant in the kind of near future, but anyone can use this product. But I want to kind of say what it's about, why some of you pregnant moms would love it, or if you're looking for a hydrating balm, people who aren't pregnant and don't have their bellies growing, you guys can use it too. So this is the product, Summer Friday's Babymoon Belly Balm. So it's a beautiful, gorgeous light pink color. It's in a squeezy tube. And the product, I used it last night actually on my hands. I have a little pink here from a makeup video. It's just a very light balm that's easy to blend. And it's just the right amount. Like, it's not too greasy where if you're to touch it and then you go and touch things, it gets all over everything. Reading from the little card it came with, it's got, natural oil blend, sunflower seed and avocado oil, omega fatty acids, vitamins. It supports collagen synthesis. So if your skin's getting dry or itchy, anything like that, it helps to hydrate. Vitamin E is in it as well. So I used it last night. I put it on my hands because my hands get really dry and chapped in the winter. I also work in healthcare and I use a lot. I'd wash my hand a lot and use hand sanitizer. So things are getting very, very dry on my hands lately. So this really, really helps. So I kind of moisturized as normal and then put this balm on top. So if you guys have any trouble areas that are really dry, my advice would be to moisturize it. So if you're gonna stick with Summer Fridays, you could use their jet lag mask and then go in with this Babymoon balm on top. And then when you wake up in the morning, it's so hydrated because that Babymoon balms on top of moisturizers hold that in. So while you're sleeping, it doesn't rub off, it doesn't go in the air. It stays in your skin, and I notice such a difference when I do that. So I'm going to be applying this to my hands, maybe my feet too, and maybe my elbows, just areas that get really dry during the winter. It has like barely any scent. The only scent it has probably is just some of those maybe natural oils, but that's obviously good. You don't want something very scented if it's a pregnancy safe type of thing. Overall, love. You guys can get this on the Summer Fridays website. And that is my little review on the Babymoon Summer Fridays Belly Balm. Stay tuned because Summer Fridays is launching a brand new product for everyone, a skincare product, on January 5th, 2021. So I am so excited to be doing a review on it. As soon as I get it, I will start applying it, do a review, get my YouTube up, I'll do all the things. So like I said, please go over to Hollkward Beauty on Instagram and follow me over there, and like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week for you guys, like I said. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.